All right, so this is my little rant about a particular type of drop shipping store. It's called a general store. I've been hearing a lot about this. It's apparently quite a hot topic online right now, as like it's being sold as an easy way for beginners to get into the e-commerce realm. And what a general store is sort of what it sounds like. It's online shops without any sort of niche, just choosing random assorted products to feature and put on a website, and they typically just attempt to find buyers through ads. They just run specific ads on products, and I wanted to film this video because I wanted to point out how ridiculously challenging and expensive this method might be. It's being touted as really quite simple and just in such an easy, quick way for beginners to get involved in the e-commerce world. And dropshipping in general is an easy way for people to get started. You don't have to have a lot of investment money up front. You have essentially like no responsibility. You create a store. You don't have to hold any inventory. You choose products from other suppliers that you want to feature on your store, and all you have to be responsible for is the marketing. And so that's really enticing to people who are looking for a change. And all things considered, dropshipping is an interesting way that people could potentially make income online. But I'm here to warn you, for a few reasons. Number one is that dropshipping isn't easier than creating a business or creating a brand. It is not. It might seem like it at first, but in order to get repeat sales, you're gonna need to do some marketing. And marketing isn't easy for everyone. It just isn't. It's quite a challenge. And number two is that with these general stores that are just featuring all sorts of random assorted products, you're not Amazon. Sorry. But it doesn't make any sense. And I really want to ask, have you, viewer, ever purchased something from an unnamed store that is just featuring random pet products, kitchen products, some clothing, electronics? Have you? And if you have, please let me know in the comments. Legitimately, I really want to know. What's the number one thing that gets an online shopper to actually make a purchase? It's trust. And if you're just a little unknown store online trying to sell products, and you have a disjointed random name, people maybe go to click all products on your navigation and they see a million different options, it doesn't elicit a whole lot of trust, especially if it's sort of the same products that you can see in other drop shipping sites. It's maybe stuff that they could probably get on Amazon. It doesn't really elicit a whole lot of trust. And so, though there are ways that you could potentially market a general store, it's always going to be more challenging than creating a niche store. Because a niche at least gives you some sort of sense of direction. You have something that is a reason for why you have a store in general. Whatever your niche may be. Let's say it's pet products. Cool. You're going to feature a bunch of cute pictures of pets and animals. That's awesome. People love that sort of thing. If that's your shtick, stick to it. That's how you can market. How can you do that as a general store, really? It's a lot more challenging. And it's not going to be something that people will want to return to. People want to identify and see themselves in the store that they're shopping from. And a general store is devoid of all humanity. and I just really kind of want folks who are thinking about getting started with dropshipping in general and thinking that they can get started with these general stores, I want them to potentially think twice about it, because throwing a bunch of money into ads for products when the rest of your site is not prepared to have traffic or it's not optimized for conversions, you're gonna have a bad time. You're going to waste your money and your time, and there's no reason to do that. If you're just getting started in e-commerce and you have your excitement and passion to want to get started and change up maybe your profession, and maybe you want to diversify your revenue streams, that's awesome. But it's going to be extremely discouraging to spend all your time setting up a cool site, what you think, finding pictures that might work, choosing products on AliExpress or whatever, and then not getting any sales. We see it all the time, that stores are getting traffic, cool, because they have like a product that might be bringing in traffic through, an ad, but people don't trust it. And ultimately you're gonna get burnt out and you're gonna give up. It's not a sustainable way of making a business. And so I just wanted to put that warning out there in the world. It's just, I think it's irresponsible that people are touting this general store dropshipping thing as a way for beginners to start out and just make a general store and find a product that'll work for you, and then make a niche store. And then you're doing everything twice. What? No, just what are you passionate about? Carry on, think about it. Sell something that solves a problem. Sell something that you would be interested in buying. No one is looking to purchase a pet product and a t-shirt and a kitchen gadget all at the same time online. That's not how people shop online. Long story short, niche is where to go. If you're going to be dropshipping, create a niche store. Choose something that is connected to something that you're passionate about, something that you can talk about, something that you can put content out there about, and create something that people will want to turn to and continue to turn to make purchases online. It's not going to be some random general store. Sorry. That's my thought for the day. Have a good day, guys. Bye.